So today we are going to a small trip. We are going to Kasir Beach.
Okay guys, we are starting this trip from Nehru to Kashif Beach. We are planning to take another route today as we normally go via Panvel. So this is our route map. Starting from Nehru to Palm Beach Road. Take right at Ulvi Junction and take container road to reach Pen. Then from Pen to Alibag. Then from Alibag to Kasif Beach,
Which is located in Alibag, Maharashtra.
This is Navi Mumbai Mahanagaraparika office. The beauty of the nature around us is the one of the greatest blessing of God on us.
Wow, what a road! It's amazing. I like this road very much. We can see beautiful scenery and it's thrilling. So just see and enjoy it. I'm also enjoying this.
Observing nature sometimes gives us good idea too. Slow breeze touching our cheeks and warm sun warming our body.
वाह यार कितना मज़ा आ रहा है देखने के लिए व्यूज सीनरीज स्काई रोड एकदम सिल्वर कलर का स्काई फिर रोड भी एकदम नीट ब्लैक कलर का ग्रीनिश बाजू बाजू में एक तो गाड़ियाँ जा रहे हैं और हम भी उसके बीच में घूम घूम कर जा रहे हैं कितना मज़ा आ रहा है ना देखने के लिए अगर आपको मज़ा आ रहा है तो पक्का कमेंट करना
Every time I see the sunshine is in the bright blue sky, I cannot help thinking that I wish to see this tomorrow too.
This is Lotus Pond. This is Talab beside the Lotus Pond. When we are going for a trip, we put song on car and we see out of the window and enjoy. So I am also enjoying very much.
In some part, the road is touching the seashore. The mixture of the green leaves, blue water, and silver cloud has no words to say. No words to express the view. Green calm below, blue quietness above.
Hooray! We have reached Kasir Beach! I'm excited to see. What? Nobody is there? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
The beach looks incredible today. On normal days, this is the one of the best beach in Maharashtra. This beach has blue crystal clear water when compared with other beach in Maharashtra. Whoever visits this beach will revisit again and again because of the beauty of nature. Now the beach seems to be a scary view as there is nobody on this beach and seems to be not safe to spend a long time here. This situation of the beach is due to the restriction that is going on. We are waiting for this beach to get open shortly.
Now we are at one more viewpoint. Here we can see a lot of shells on the shore. The kids like to collect this shell for playing. We do also collect some shell to play with. Here also you can feel the lushy green surrounding.
Wow! This is an incredible view, full of scenic green and stunning mountains.
Who loves to travel will really enjoy this road trip.
Both sides of road have greenery and the front view has a blue sky. Wow! What an incredible view!
So today's trip we enjoyed, but one thing we missed, that is playing in beach. We will come back another day in beach to play. Okay, bye. We will see in the next video. Next video will come in soon. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Click on bell icon to like and comment. Your like and comment is my motivation. Tata, bye bye. Thank you for watching.